In today's class, we are going to discuss about preparation methods of phenol. So, preparation of phenol. Okay. Now, when we talk about preparation methods of phenol, then just if we compare phenol with its counterpart, that is alcohol, ROH. So the preparation of alcohols is very easy from haloalkanes. That means if we use a haloalkane RCl and just we treat it with aqueous alkali, aqueous NaOH, or simply with HOH also, then because haloalkanes can easily give nucleophilic substitution reactions, because this bond is a single bond and this is partial negative, partial positive, NaOH, positive, partial negative. So easily this nucleophile attacks on this and replaces Cl and forms ROH, okay, by SN1 or SN2 mechanism. So this is simple for haloalkanes. But when it comes for the preparation of phenols, this type of reactions, nucleophilic substitution reactions, are not easy. They don't take place. So preparation of phenol by using aryl halides is very difficult, or you can say practically not possible. Few reactions are made possible under drastic conditions. So now we will see that why this is not possible in case of phenol to prepare directly from aryl halides. If you see a aryl halide, okay, now in case of aryl halide we know that chlorine, because of having lone pairs, just stabilizes the benzene ring with the help of its resonating structures. The lone pair shifts here, giving this bond a partial double bond character. Because this is shifting here, so this bond will shift on this point. Okay. So the next structure formed is like this. This shifting here, this shifting here. S negative. Because this is made up of two bonds, see, two electrons. So these two electrons are shifting here to make a negative sign here. Okay. Then here is double bond Cl. Because electrons have shifted, so this acquires positive charge. Okay. Rest bonds are same. So we see that here the bond between carbon of the ring and chlorine are acquiring partial double bond character. The next structure will also be like this. Because this negative charge is here, so it will come here to stabilize the ring, but the number of bonds will be more. Suppose if this bond comes here, okay, so this bond will shift here because the carbon which is present here, there is a carbon present here, it is already having 4 bonds. See, 1, 2, 3 and 1 bond with H. Every point has H also. So if you are shifting this pair of electron from here to here, then this carbon will have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 bonds, which is not possible. So to maintain its 4 bonds, this bond from here will shift here to give it a negative charge on para position. So next is shifting here, this comes here, double bond Cl positive. These are called resonating structures. Again, this will shift to the next bond, this bond will shift here, and the next structure is bond here, this is coming this side, this is shifting on corner, double bond Cl positive. Okay. Next, this will come here and this will again shift back to give the last structure here, here and here. Bond, single bond Cl, positive charge gone because lone pairs are returned back. Okay, so these are the resonating structures of haloarenes, because of which the bond between C and Cl is a partial double bond character. Because of this reason, it is not easy to break this bond. So whatever reactions it gives will take place under drastic conditions. So due to this reason, we cannot use nucleophilic substitution reaction of haloarene to prepare phenol. Then still one reaction is used, that haloarenes are treated with NaOH. Okay, this is nucleophilic substitution reaction which generally is not given by haloarenes because we are making it in drastic conditions, 623 Kelvin temperature and 300 times atmospheric pressure. Then the nucleophilic substitution is possible. Then in the next step, ONA is introduced here, which on hydrolysis forms phenol. Okay, so this reaction is taking place under drastic condition, hence it is possible to substitute chlorine with OH group. So this is one of the methods of preparation of phenol. Okay, now the second method. The second method of preparation of phenol is from sulfonic acids. Benzene sulfonic acids. We know that when benzene is treated with sulfuric acid in presence of oleum, okay, oleum is H2SO4, one more molecule of H2SO4, when it is dehydrated, H2 and O taken, then what is left? 1 H2, 2S and O4 here and 3 here, 7, H2S2O7, that means dehydrated sulfuric acid is known as oleum. So this oleum, in presence of oleum, when benzene is sulfonated by sulfuric acid, then it forms benzene sulfonic acid. This is benzene sulfonic acid. Okay, now is benzene sulfonic acid. Right here, SO3H when treated with alkali, the first step produces ONA, which on hydrolysis gives phenol. Okay, so again this is one of the method. From benzene sulfonic acids, phenols can be formed. Okay, the conversion of benzene to benzene sulfonic acid is a electrophilic substitution reaction. Now the third reaction. This was the second method of preparation. Third method of preparation of phenol is from benzene diazonium chloride, using benzene diazonium chloride. Now, when aromatic amines are treated in presence of NaNO2 and SCl2, reagents NaNO2, sodium nitrite and HCl, then these primary aromatic amines are converted into benzene diazonium chloride. We write in short BDC. They are converted into benzene diazonium chloride salts. Okay, which on just heating or warming can give phenol, warming in water. Okay, can give phenol plus N2 plus HCl. So phenols can simply be prepared from benzene diazonium chloride salts also. Just by warming in water, they will give phenol. Okay, so these are three methods which we have done. Now the fourth method for preparation of phenol is from cumin. Now what is cumin? Isopropyl benzene is known as cumin. Now we will draw the structure of it. This is benzene, this is your cumin, isopropyl benzene. This is isopropyl group and this is benzene. When cumin are oxidized, they form CH3, CH3, COOH. These are known as cumin hydroperoxide. These are known as cumin hydroperoxide, which on acid hydrolysis give phenol plus CH3COCH3, CH3COCH3. A ketone is formed as byproduct and phenol is the main product formed. Okay, so these are four methods of preparation of phenol.